birthday. Her hobbies are playing computer, jackstone, and moto. Try and try until you succeed. Favorite color? Pink and sky blue. Her favorite food? Chicken curry. Sarap. Her favorite cartoon character is Barbie. And the sponsoring group of Miss Cupid is grade 5, section 8, under the advisory of Mrs. Arsenio O. Buntang and Mrs. Joy B. Davalo.
Hawakan mo siya.